Under the ruthless African sun, dust rises in the endless plains, carried by the wind across golden grass. In that blazing light and shadow, the legends awaken. 5 creatures, each name vibrating with the heartbeat of the land. The elephant, guardian of ancient trails. The lion, king of courage and power. The buffalo, embodiment of resilience. The leopard, master of shadow and silence. The rhino, silent colossus, heir to a primordial world. But here, greatness isn't about size or strength, it's about endurance, instinct, survival. Then the calm shatters. A leaf rustles. A horn echoes. A buffalo freezes. The elephant crashes through brush. The leopard vanishes. The rhino braces. The game begins. The African plain becomes a stage for instinct to clash. The stakes, life. The players, icons of nature, alive, aware, and ready. Instinct of Akans. Survival mode. Engaged. The buffalo charges thunder beneath its hooves. The lion roars, each stride controlled, each breath a warning. The elephant holds the line, tusks gleaming. The rhino lunges, horn first. The leopard dances in shadow, strikes without warning. This isn't chaos, it's strategy. A lion hits 50 miles per hour. A rhino breaks trees. A buffalo won't hesitate to gore. But it's not power alone, it's timing, patience, and knowing when to act. The dance of survival spins on. But not every battle ends in blood. The elephant backs off. The buffalo turns away. The lion halts mid-stride. The rhino holds its ground, but doesn't charge. And the leopard, gone. With only the leaves left rustling. Survival isn't about dominance. It's about decisions. Sometimes, not fighting is how you win. Away from the thunder of horns and roars of the hunt, another story unfolds. The elephant herd moves with memory and purpose. Matriarch leads. Calves follow. Young bulls wander. The lion pride gathers. Females hunt in silence, while males patrol the borders. The buffalo herd stands together, strength in numbers. The leopard hunts solitary. The rhino wanders near water holes. Silent and ancient. Each member plays its part: builder, protector, watcher, teacher. They don't exist solely for themselves. They exist for the future of the group. They don't need to rule the savannah. They need to live in it. And living means more than roars and horns. It means endurance, cooperation, silent sacrifice. In this world, strength isn't measured in dominance alone. It's measured in what you preserve, who you support, how you adapt. The buffalo may charge, but it also defends the weak in its herd. The elephant may tower, but it mourns. The leopard may lurk, but it thrives by stealth. Each echoes that survival is not dramatic. It's inevitable. As the sun dips low and shadows stretch over the grass, the big five walk on. No applause, no trophies, just footprints in dust. Echoed roars fading, horns lowered, silent watchers in the dusk. They continue their journey side by side, in a land that tests them fiercely. Because in the end, the greatest path is not the one taken alone, but the one walked together. And in that quiet togetherness lies the promise of return.